Google Slides. In this video, you'll learn how to format font, link text, change the background of slides, and embed video.
You can also go in here and change, let's delete some of this stuff so we don't have so many layers. Here is a text box I made. I can go in here and select this. I can change the type of font I have on here. I can obviously change the size. Same options as Word, bold, italics, underline. I can change the text color. And then if I want, I can even go in here because this is a text box, so it's a separate little box by itself. I could go in here, use the fill color, and fill it in the box with blue and have red text on there. So that's a very easy way to make something techy. And then you also have the option of doing borders on your text boxes. I can create a border with different sizes. So maybe I want a smaller border. Let's get something you can at least see. And I can go in here and even change the dash type, how I want it to look. So if you're typing up a paper for your students where you want them to sign on a certain line, you could actually make that so that there's a border on the bottom that has that line. Okay, let's stick on another slide and let me show you how to create linked text. Oops, didn't mean to duplicate. Okay. So say I have my content. Let's draw a text box here real quick. So stuff to learn. Here's content to learn. So I can type in here, read this website, and I can link the word website. I'm going to bring this up when we talk about your portfolios, and I talk about accessibility throughout this course. So this is actually something that when a student or a person is using a screen reader, it will read out the whole web address if you paste it in there. So always type something, some descriptive text that describes the link, and hyperlink your descriptive text. So when a screen reader reads this, it will read this website, and then it gives the user an option if they want to go to that website or read out the web address. If not, they can easily skip over it. Always hyperlink descriptive text. So read this website. Google Sites. You can even link to other parts of your presentation if you want it to really make it interactive. And then I could say, if I had a forms quiz, I could also my internet is so slow tonight. I can also go in there and get a shareable link. Get a shareable link for my Google Forms quiz and embed it inside Google Slides. The exact same way. I would get the web address to the quiz in Google Forms. I would select my descriptive text, being the word quiz, insert link, and link to it. So right inside the presentation, I could offer both content and assessment methods. Makes it very handy. You also have options to change the background of your slides. Over here, there are a bunch of themes that are already built in. There's also a really neat website called Slides Carnival, all one word, and that is templates for Google Slides and PowerPoint. They've got some very, very neat templates on there that are incredibly ornate, and they have all the pieces built in for you. But you can go in here and change your slides. So you'll see that this has the introductions, one type of slide, and in here the only little element they have, design element, is this little blob right there. So these templates already have a pre-made color scheme set up inside of there. You can also right-click on a specific slide, change background, and if I want it, I could actually insert an image. Let's see if my internet will do this. Pick whatever your image is, and there you go. Now this isn't a very good image for what I'm trying to do because it's blurry. It's a low resolution image, but it's for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, if I actually go on a specific slide and I change the background on that slide, then it does not, like the template when you apply, well, the theme, when you apply a theme, it goes to every slide. When you apply, when you change the background, it only applies to that single slide you're working with. Let's see. Embed a video into Google Slides. Let's go do that down here. So I showed you how you could hyperlink to content. You can also embed videos directly in here. So insert video, and it will give you options. Do you want to get it off of YouTube? Do you have a URL you're going to, or is it your own video in Google Drive? Mountains. I'm just going to search something, and it goes directly into YouTube. Let's go with Prince. How about that? And it embeds the video directly in there. So this means that people don't have to leave your slides presentation to watch it. It's embedded directly in there, and I could stretch this out, and you'll see that it gives me the little lines. And of course, I'm kind of picky about it, so I want it to be directly in the middle. And then I could click back here, get rid of that text box to make it look clean. And that way, when I'm presenting it, which I'll show y'all real quick, it has the video embedded right in there. It's just a very pretty way of presenting video content.